Welcome to Math Mystery Lab, where numbers come alive. In today's lesson, we will talk about addition. Addition is putting things together. With addition, we can put two numbers together to create a larger number. If we have two blue stars, and we also have one yellow star, we can add these two groups of stars together and get a new group of stars. Let's count how many stars are in the new group. 1, 2, 3. First, we had a group of 2 stars. Then we added another group of 1 star. As a result, we got 3 stars. The plus sign tells us to add the both sides together. The result of the addition is then written on the right side of the equal sign. We can use the number line to calculate the addition. If we want to calculate 5 plus 2, we start on the 5. Then we hop to the next number, a total of 1, 2 times. And then we stop. Notice that after 2 jumps we arrive at the 7, so the answer is 7. You can also choose to start on the 2 and then jump 5 times to the right. It is easier to start on the larger number in the addition. This way, you don't have to make a lot of jumps. Now, let's test your knowledge. You can use a number line or blocks or Legos to count. Pause the video while you are solving the exercises. After you are done, press play to see the solutions. 1 plus 5 is equal to 6. Start on the 1 and jump 5 times, or start on the 5 and jump 1 time. 3 plus 7 is equal to 10. Start on the 3 and jump 7 times, or start on the 7 and jump 3 times. 2 plus 6 is equal to 8. Start on the 2 and jump 6 times, or start on the 6 and jump 2 times. 7 plus 0 is equal to 7. Start on the 7 and jump 0 times, or start on the 0 and jump 7 times. This gives us an addition rule. When you add 0 in an addition, the answer is the same as the other number in the addition. 4 plus 4 is equal to 8. Start on the 4 and jump 4 times. Thank you for learning in the Math Mystery Lab. Until the next lesson.